Hi, this is Steve Hosher with RazorGage, and today I'd like to talk about our Android operator interface. The Android operator interface is our entry-level unit. It's meant for simply entering positions and having the positioner go to that position, along with a few other simple functions. So just as a quick example, I'll type in 12 and a fraction and go absolute, and the positioner moves to that position. Now, in addition to simply moving to certain positions, we can also do an incremental move. So I'll type in 1 and then go incremental, and the RazorGage moves in just the 1-inch increment. In addition, we have our unload button, which makes the RazorGage back up, and then the screen changes and you press OK to return. That's used when we're cutting short parts and we need to back up to get the part out away from the saw. So the last thing is the preset screen, and we touch that and we have a number of presets. Now, the number of presets you can add are virtually unlimited. It's more limited by the number of actual icons you can manage on the screen. We can make these icons bigger or smaller. We can make them a list or icons as you see here. And what they're for, you can apply a label and a position and just touch the line item and it moves to that position. Touch another line item and it moves to that position. So that is the preset interface, is our entry-level interface. For more functionality, check out the video on our PC operator interface.